Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Podio notifications for project items. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To disable Podio notifications for project items, first, log into your Podio account. Navigate to the workspace where your project item is located. Once in the workspace, locate the project item for which you want to disable notifications. Click on the project item to open its details page. In the top right corner of the project item, find and click on the three-dot menu icon. From the drop-down menu, select Notifications. You will see a list of notification settings related to this project item. Toggle off the notifications you wish to disable. If you want to completely stop notifications, consider adjusting your global notification settings. To do this, click on your profile picture in the top right corner. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, navigate to the Notifications tab. Here, you can manage all your notification preferences across Podio. Make sure to review and adjust the settings according to your needs. After making your changes, exit the Settings menu. Your notifications for the selected project item should now be disabled. You can repeat this process for any other project items as needed. Remember to check back periodically to ensure your preferences remain as you want them. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.